Yo at GMM. You're watching part two on making a roof. At first I have to check the light if they all working. Because I'm gonna be placing a power switch, and yeah, to make sure they all work perfectly. Yeah, I have to figure out where I'm gonna put it, and I found it at the back of the house, and I cut a nice little rectangle shape and make sure they fit perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my TikTok, like the video, comment in the comment section. Basically comment anything, like for example, what would you like me to make next? Maybe a car, maybe another house, maybe something like anything, because I need ideas. And yeah, I basically run a wire from the battery to the switch, and then from the switch to the lights, and then the other one I just run it directly to the lights, and that was it. The switch worked perfectly. You're gonna see the end result right now. So yeah, the lights looks beautiful. And yeah, I choose two different color, I think green and red. So yeah, and you guys gonna see the motor from the door open by themselves. It's a smart house, to be honest with you. I use a controller to open the door. This is the motor. So this is gonna be another video, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.